Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about OS&Y gate valve. That's full meaning of outside screw and yoke gate valve. It's very important part for fire protection system and all kind of waterworks construction. Here you can see some parts, the screw and operation valve. Here you can see one pressure switch that, that is temp switch that get signal of valve positioning for fire alarm system. That's most important part of this. uh, I can explain about this symbol FM. That means factory mutual approval indicate this valve is certified by FM Global for fire protection service. That second one, American Waterworks Association. The valve is built according to that standard. The third one, C515. That means this valve built material specification. That third one, 300W. That means 300 psi water working pressure, maximum pressure rating for water service. That valve can get that kind of pressure maximum. That last one, 8. That means 8-inch nominal diameter. That means DN 200. That indicating valve size. This is full part of this valve. If you have any question, please drop down my comment section. Thank you.